Seedance 2.0, Grok, and Veo 3.1. You've probably been hearing about these AI tools everywhere lately, but there's always been one huge problem. How do you actually use them for free? How do you generate unlimited AI videos without constantly worrying about credits running out? Well, that problem ends today, because Kira just found a platform that gives you access to not only Grok, but also Seedance 2.0 and Veo 3.1, all in one place, completely free. Yeah, the three most powerful AI video generators right now, without paying monthly subscriptions or stressing over limits. And the craziest part? Almost nobody is talking about this platform yet. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to access it, how to use each model properly, and how to create cinematic AI videos that look absolutely insane. The name of this website is Veo AI Free, and it gives you access to top AI models like Grok, Seedance, and Veo, all in one place. And because I know how hard these sites can be to find, I'll be dropping all three links down below in the description. So now, to use this platform, first click on the button by the right side. Then, from there, adjust the model to Grok 4.5 and aspect ratio to landscape. Then, paste in your prompt. Then click on Generate. The prompt we used is basically talking about a hacker, so let's wait for the video to generate. If you notice, I didn't log in to use this platform. Why? Because it's an open source AI video generation platform, which shows you one way to get unlimited features. So now it's done, let's take a look at it. This is exactly what I was hoping for. The AI just took the hacker theme and gave it this sleek, real-world edge. Super cinematic, but still grounded. Every detail pops, every frame pulls you in, and it just feels real. Like you're right there in the code. So now, let's test out Seedance and Veo 3.1 on this platform to show you how they're also free. So we will be using the same settings as Grok. Just make sure it's set to Veo 3.1 and landscape aspect ratio. Then paste in your prompt, click Generate, and wait for the video. As you can see, you have to wait for at least 1 minute after each generation, but that's still classified as a win for a free video generator. Taking 1 minute out instead of paying thousands of dollars? I'll pick that any time of the day. Now let's see the outcome of the generation. This is phenomenal work. Seriously, you can just feel the atmosphere. The AI really nailed that quiet, cinematic coffee shop mood. Like every sip tells its own little story. I'd still give it a solid 9.5. The detail, the lighting, the overall vibe, it's all spot on and feels really natural and immersive. Now let's check out the last tool, Seedance. We will be fast with this one, since we all know the process. Just set it, put it on 2.0, same aspect ratio, click on Paste, then click on Generate. Now let's check out the outcome. Alright, so that's the result, and honestly, this is the level we're operating at now. The detail, the realism, the cinematic feel, it's getting sharper, cleaner, and more believable every single time. And the crazy part is, this is just the beginning. There's so much more we can push with these tools when you really dial in the right prompts. If you enjoyed this, make sure you stick around because the next one is going to go even harder than this. I'll see you in the next video.